Good morning, my dear students, and welcome to today's video lesson. I hope all of you are fit and fine in your homes and you are taking care of yourself and the people around you. Dear students, these days we should be extra cautious and extra responsible about our behavior. Okay, so do that and encourage others also to do the same. Now, my dear students, there is a thing which I want to tell all of you. I have been hearing from a lot of parents that you people are very much engrossed in your mobile phones, even after the class is over. So, it is my sincere advice to all of you that please don't use mobile phones after the online classes. Okay, engage yourself in homework, engage yourself in physical activities. Please don't use mobile phones in excess because it's bad for your eyes and it's bad for your health. So you all must take care of yourself. This is in your best interests. Okay, now my dear students, let's come to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we'll be discussing the question and answers of the snake and the mirror. Okay, this chapter has been written by Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. Okay, but before we start today's lesson, I would like to remind you a few important points of the chapter. Okay, so what was happening in the beginning of the chapter? A discussion was going on about snakes, and then the doctor, he started narrating his own story. Okay, in that story the doctor, he tells us that he was very young at that time and he didn't have enough money, so he was living in a rented room. In that room there was a you can say a number, there were a number of rats. Okay, there were a number of rats who used to move around so much that it was just like the traffic. Okay, so one night the doctor, he tried sleeping. So while he tried sleeping, he couldn't get any sleep, so he engaged in a few things. He took a walk, then came back again in the room and he started admiring his beauty, and he was thinking about what kind of future wife he will have. Okay, he thought that he should have a fat wife so that she would be unable to catch him. If there is an argument and the doctor, he would be able to easily run away. And moreover, he was also complimenting himself very much, and he was thinking about doing, changing his style, changing the style of his mustache and all, because he was a bachelor and he was a doctor. So just due to social preferences, he was thinking of keeping himself well maintained and good looking. Okay, then while he was immersed in these thoughts, suddenly he heard a dull thud. Okay, like a tire tube, it had fallen on the ground. Okay, but when he turned around to see what was it, he found that it was a snake. Okay, the snake was there. The snake, it quickly slid on the body of the doctor, and the doctor, he turned to stone. Okay, he turned to stone then and there. So as he turned to stone then and there, what happened there, that the snake, it started moving forward, it started sliding forward. Okay, it was sliding on the body of the doctor, and it started coiling itself around the arm of the doctor, and the snake started squeezing the arm of the doctor. Okay, and slowly the the doctor, he started losing sensation in his arm. Okay, then after losing sensation, like he was about to lose sensation, he was about to be drained of power, suddenly the snake, he saw his reflection in the mirror. And while the snake was looking at his reflection, the doctor, he was thinking that he should not do anything to annoy God. Okay, he should not do anything to annoy God, because he really wanted to be on the favorable side of God's. Okay, because only God could save him, no one else. So then after looking at his reflection, the snake, it starts uncoiling itself, and he moves to the top of the table and starts looking at itself. Okay, the writer, he had many questions in his mind, that what was the snake looking at? Was he admiring its own beauty, or what? Or did he had any question related to dressing up, or whatever question he had? But then what he did was, he came out of the room. Okay, and he ran till his friend's home without a break. Okay, he ran without a break. After that, he applied some oil on his body, and took a bath and changed into fresh clothes. After that, what happens is that next morning he goes back to collect things from his room, but what he finds over there, he found that there was only a solitary dirty vest which was left there. The rest, everything had been taken away by a thief. Okay, so this was it. And then later on, everybody was relieved. Those people who were listening to the story, they were relieved that nothing happened to the doctor. Okay, and they discussed about his wife, that what kind of wife he got, and the answer was that he got a very thin wife, a very slim and slender wife. So that was the plan of God for the doctor. After that, the writer, okay, the writer, he asked the question that whether he saw the snake again or not, and the doctor, he replied that no, I didn't see the snake again, because I think the snake, it was lost in its own beauty. Okay, it was immersed in its own beauty, it was captivated by its own beauty. Okay, now dear students, this was the brief summary of the chapter. Okay, if anything is still not clear to you, you have any points, you can comment and let me know. Now moving on, what do we have? We have to discuss the question and answers. All right, discuss in pairs and answer each question below in a short paragraph, 30 to 40 words. So your word limit has been given to you. Okay, please follow the word limit for your own sake, 30 to 40 words. The sound was a familiar one. Familiar means जो जानते हो, जिसे जो strange ना हो, सुनी हुई हो. What sound did the doctor hear? So, what was the sound? What was above him, which was creating a sound? What did he think it was? You know what he thought, right? How many times did he hear it? Okay, so these are just one line answers. Okay, just write a single line for these. When and why did the sound stop? So when did the sound stop? When the doctor, he was doing what he was doing. Okay, that you have to tell. Okay, what was the action that he was specifically doing, that you have to tell. And why did it stop? Okay, what creature made it stop? Okay, So simply just again no need for expansion in this question, just write one line everywhere and you will be done. In 5 lines your question will be answered. Okay, don't write a lot for it. What 2 important and earth shaking decisions did the doctor take while he was looking into the mirror? So he took some very important decisions which were related to his appearance, right? So simply just mention those decisions here, read the chapter, and you will find that when he is concerned about his appearance, he makes a few styling changes to himself. You have to mention those styling changes here. Okay, very easy, very simple, right? I looked into the mirror and smiled, says the doctor. Okay, so a little later he says, I forgot my danger and smiled feebly at myself. So now first of all you have to remember from where these lines are. Okay, from where in the chapter these lines are. After you have remembered that, then listen to the next part, then listen to the question. Such questions, because these are step-wise questions. So before you get to the first step, you have to know the origin point. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि start कहाँ से हो रहा है ये question. Okay, किस statement से, किस situation से ये question start हो रहा है. Only then you will be able to write the answer. So, what is the doctor's opinion about himself when he first smiles? जब वो सबसे beginning में, right? इससे पहले जब वो स्माइल करी है उसने इस स्टेटमेंट में जो दिया, उससे पहले भी वो स्माइल कर रहा था. ओके, सबसे पहले उसने स्माइल करा जब, सबसे पहले, ना कि जो इस स्टेटमेंट में मेंशन है, सबसे पहले उसने जब स्माइल करा तब उसका क्या ओपिनियन था. उसके बाद जब उसने दोबारा फिर से देखा, फिर स्माइल किया, फिर उसका क्या ओपिनियन था. ओके, इन व्हाट वे डू हिज थॉट्स चेंज इन बिटवीन एंड व्हाई. नाउ दिस पार्ट, फर्स्ट और सेकंड पार्ट यू हैव टू आंसर इन पॉइंट्स, यू कैन आंसर दैट, बट इस पार्ट के लिए पैराग्राफ लिखना है. ओके, जो फर्स्ट और सेकंड पार्ट का आंसर है वो सिर्फ यू कैन जस्ट सिंपली आंसर दैट इन 1 or 2 lines. Then in what way do his thoughts change in between? Again 1 line for this, and why, reason 1 line. Again 6 lines and this question is solved. Okay, just simply you have to tell the change कि जब वो पहले स्माइल कर रहा था और फिर बाद में स्माइल कर रहा था, उसके बीच में, थॉट्स के बीच में क्या चेंज आया. थॉट्स का कंपैरिजन कर देना. ओके, कंपेयर कर देना कि पहले तो वो ऐसे सोचा था लेकिन फिर उसने ऐसे सोचा. और रीजन यू ऑल नो वेरी वेल, रीजन आई हैव रिपीटेड 100 times. उसने ऐसा क्यों सोचा, सिंपली वो 1 लाइन लिखनी है रीजन की. ओके, और वो रीजन खुद ही दिए जा रहा था. ओके, राइट, है ना, वो खुद ब खुद रीजन दिए जा रहा था हर बार. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टोरी, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सेकेंड पार्ट. This story about a frightening incident is narrated in a humorous way. What makes it humorous? So, सबसे पहले तो ये बताना है कि क्या चीजें हैं जो इसे ह्यूमरस बनाती है. ओके, नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज लिटिल लॉन्ग, सो राइट एज मच एज यू फील. ओके, 60 to 80 वर्ड्स तो मिनिमम रिक्वायर्ड होंगे ही. ओके, अगर 100 वर्ड्स में, 120 वर्ड्स में भी आंसर हो रहा है, फाइन, आंसर इट लाइक दैट. सो क्या पॉइंट्स थे. ओके, किन चीजों से ये ह्यूमरस बना. ठीक है, जो सिचुएशंस क्रिएट हुई. ओके, यू कैन मेंशन दो सिचुएशन एंड सिंपली दैट विल बी योर आंसर. क्या सिचुएशंस हुई, जब जो भी सिचुएशंस पे आपको हंसी है, जो आपको फनी लगी, वो सिचुएशंस मेंशन करना एंड दैट विल बी योर आंसर. नाउ think of the contrasts it presents between dreams and reality. जो हमारे ड्रीम्स होते हैं वो अलग होते हैं, राइट, और रियलिटी अलग होती है. हम ड्रीम्स में बहुत कुछ इमेजिन करते हैं. ओके, कॉन्ट्रास्ट मीन्स जो डिफरेंस होता है दो चीजों के बीच में वो. ओके, how one thing is different from another. That is actually a contrast. Okay, so उन चीज़ों में क्या डिफरेंस है, ड्रीम्स और रियलिटी के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस होता है. हम सोचते बहुत कुछ है लेकिन होता वैसे नहीं है. ओके, तो एक डिफरेंस है, वो डिफरेंस के बारे में ही हमें सोचना है. Some of them are listed below. अब नीचे कुछ some of them are listed below. What are these? Let's see. The kind of person the doctor is, money, possessions, the kind of person he wants to be. So इसमें हमें contrast को evaluate करके आंसर लिखना है. जो उसके पास, see, उसके पास जो money और possessions currently थे वो बताने हैं, और फिर उनको बताना है कि बट वो चाहता था कि appearance ऐसी हो, ambition ऐसे हो, तो वो बताना है. Then the person he wants to marry, okay, जो उसको डिजायर है कि हाँ मुझे एक ऐसी वाइफ मिलनी चाहिए, वो. Then the person he actually marries. तो यहाँ पे भी हमें पता है कि सिचुएशन में उसने कुछ और प्लान करा था, राइट? उसने कुछ और प्लान करा था कि यस मुझे एक ऐसी वाइफ चाहिए जो मुझे पकड़ ना सके. बट द काइंड ऑफ वाइफ ही एक्चुअली मैरिज. ओके, describe that. Then his thoughts when he looks into the mirror. Okay, so वो कुछ thoughts आ रहे थे ना उसके दिमाग में, right? जो उसके appearance से related थे वो सारे thoughts, जो उसके future plan से related थे वो thoughts. Then his thoughts when the snake is coiled around his arm. Again, फिर जब उसके जो दिमाग में थॉट्स आते जब स्नेक उसके आर्म के अराउंड था. ओके, सो यू हैव टू एस्टैब्लिश द डिफरेंस. जो दोनों पार्ट्स के बीच में डिफरेंस है वो एस्टैब्लिश करना आंसर में. दोनों को कंपेयर करते हुए आपको अपना आंसर राइट करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ के लिए, फर्स्ट पार्ट के लिए, ओके, जो फर्स्ट पार्ट है उसमें 2 पार्ट्स हैं, राइट? उसके लिए एक ही पैराग्राफ आपको राइट करना है बेटा. ओके, प्लीज डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, सिर्फ एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है. ओके, बिगिनिंग में क्या आ जाएगा, जो फर्स्ट पार्ट है, फिर उसके बाद सेकंड पार्ट आ जाएगा, और फिर आपको बताना है कि उनके बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है. ठीक है, एक एक लाइन, बेशक यू कैन जस्ट राइट ओनली 1 लाइन, दैट इज सफिशिएंट. कोई ज्यादा राइट करने की नीड नहीं है, बट जस्ट राइट दैट मच ओनली. ओके, इतना ही आपको राइट करना है. इज दैट क्लियर? आपको एक क्वेश्चन के लिए, आपका जो एक पार्ट है उसके लिए एक ही पैराग्राफ राइट करना है. ओके, सेकंड पार्ट का जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, जो फर्स्ट आपको 2 दिए हैं, उसमें आपको एक ही पैराग्राफ राइट करना है, और फिर पैराग्राफ में डिटेल्स करके एंड में आपको कॉन्ट्रास्ट दिखाना है, उनके बीच में जो डिफरेंस है वो बताना है. Okay, now dear students, this is it. These, first of all, now while writing in your notebook, okay, the notebooks which I have been calling, some of you don't write the word meaning. Okay, so make sure that you write the word meaning. Okay, you have to write the word meaning 100%. Okay, the word meaning which are given on the side, like here this is given when with. Okay, so like these words which are given, you have to write, even though they are just a few, like on the first page you will see that yes, here there are some words which are given with meanings. Please write word meaning and then write the question answers. Also please follow the word limit and write in a very clean handwriting. Okay, your handwriting should be neat and clean. And see, because writing with neat and clean handwriting is very important, because it creates an impression. Okay, it creates an impression in the mind of the examiner who's going to check your answer sheet. So please practice good handwriting, right? There are not a lot of things which you have to write. Okay, so whatever you are writing, write it with a very good handwriting and make it impressive. Your handwriting should be impressive. These days you have time also. Okay, utilize your time properly and use it well. Okay, how you can use it well? By writing in good handwriting. Okay, so please, dear students, write in good handwriting. And now if you have any doubts related to the question answers, please comment and let me know, and also hit the like button so that I get to know that you all have seen the video. Okay, so dear students, that's your lesson for the day. Thank you, and take care of yourself and stay safe. Thank you. Bye.